watch any living creature for just a moment. A bird resting on a branch, a cat asleep, or a fish beneath the water. All of them are breathing constantly, effortlessly, without ever deciding to. They don't think, now I should inhale. They simply do. Something unseen keeps that rhythm alive in every form of life. And we humans are no different. Even now, as you listen, your body is breathing, perfectly timed, perfectly balanced, without you commanding it to. Pause just for a moment and realize you've been breathing your whole life, yet not a single breath has ever truly been yours to control. They call it the autonomic system. But behind that name lies a mystery so deep that if you truly stop and think about it, it can leave you speechless. What is this force that keeps us alive, aware, yet hidden? The breath we don't control might just be the whisper of something greater.